In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable DRM on Google Chrome step by step so you can allow protected content to play properly on supported websites and streaming platforms. If you've ever run into playback issues, missing video errors, or content that simply won't load, this setting is often the fix. And don't worry, I'll keep it simple and easy to follow from start to finish. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots icon. This opens the main Chrome menu. From the list that appears, click Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page where all of the browser options are located. On the left-hand side of the settings screen, find and click Privacy and Security. This section controls the areas related to browsing data, permissions, and website behavior. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, look for Site Settings and click it. Site Settings is where Chrome manages what websites are allowed to access, including things like camera, microphone, pop-ups, and protected content. Now scroll down until you see Additional Content Settings. Click that to expand the extra options. After that, select Protected Content IDs. This is the section you need in order to turn on DRM support in Chrome. Here, you'll see the options related to protected media playback. Make sure you turn on Sites can play protected content. This allows supported websites to stream DRM protected videos and media. Then also enable sites can use identifiers to play protected content. This setting helps websites verify access for protected media playback when needed. Once both options are enabled, Chrome will be able to handle DRM content correctly on supported sites. In many cases, this is all you need to do. If the options were already on, you can leave them enabled and simply close the Settings tab. If you were having trouble before, try refreshing the website or restarting Chrome after changing the settings so the browser can apply the update properly. And that's it. You've now enabled DRM on Google Chrome. This should help improve playback for protected streaming content and fix access issues on websites that require DRM. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.